Welcome to Nigeria, a place that runs a system that might upset your stomach. You've heard a lot of things, but I'm sure you haven't heard this one. So brace up yourself because on March 16, all right, 2026, inside the Federal High Court in Abuja, not a classroom, not a village square. I don't even know if people do this in village squares. A judge looked at the lawyer and said, "Come here, come and kneel down here." Yes, you heard me. Kneel down in court. Now, let me walk you through this old gist, but first, take a listen.
We don't come to court because we think we can get justice, but we offload justice onto the courts. And that's why you see they make mistakes. How can a judge ask somebody to kneel down? I've never heard that before. And yes, a lawyer that's practiced law for 10 years. I think if Marshall were to be actively seeking recognition, should be a son by now. And you ask a son to come and kneel down. Even if it's not a son, you can't even ask all these charge and bail lawyers to kneel down. No talk of Marshall, an internationally recognized human rights lawyer, and the lawyer to Sowore'S for that matter.
Yes.
This is unheard of. They will be back here in court at 12 noon.
By 12 noon.
The judge said
He's going to deliver.
he's going to deliver a ruling over a request to strike out the matter, which I thought we should have delivered right there.
Yes.
You know, but
Whenever they are ready,
whatever it is,
they feel they are.
whatever the ruling is, we are ready.
Yes.
Even if the new IG decides that he wants to go this part of perdition, we'll follow him until he gets to his own last bus stop.
Yes.
But what we must tell you is that every one of you have a retirement date.
Very well.
And oppression
You
in
heard
this
it from
country must be
Omoyele.
given a
This is not
retirement date
just in
too.
case.
That's
This was
our
a trial of Omoyele.
complete position.
His lawyer, Marshal Abubakar, was actually doing his job. Maybe he was arguing, maybe he was pushing, or maybe he was even raising his voice. And yes, courts require decorum. But instead of following legal procedures for contempt, instead of applying the law in a court of law, the judge decided to go with his own ego, asking an adult, a lawyer, probably someone's father, to kneel down. Something we see in most apprenticeship shops like workmanship, which in all standards are wrong, happened in Nigeria's court. Something shocking, embarrassing, unheard of, something ridiculous, something that belongs to the primary school. And let me just even mention, not all primary schools, because modern day primary school don't even give physical punishment anymore. So when people say Nigerians were well read, I'm like, what exactly are we reading? The first phase of human knowledge is civility. And when the very place where it should begin, lacks it, then you know that there is no system at all in place in this country. Trust me, a judge who doesn't understand the limits of his own authority cannot recognize the rights of others. And if that is the case, how can such a person truly deliver justice? So this is what happens when power forgets boundaries. In Nigeria, we've been watching this happen every time, one by one. But this is another level, from the executive to the legislature to the law enforcement. The judiciary, of course, we've witnessed them have unfair rulings, but showing this level of abuse is both low and inexplicable, because the moment a judge says, kneel down, we're no longer talking about justice. The line has been crossed, and it is being crossed too comfortably, because when a man at the center goes unchecked, everyone else starts to act like they have the same power. Unchecked power produces unchecked system. It is a truth at a time. Take care and have a nice day.